Hey guys, I know you can't really hear me, but we're next to this Union Pacific train. And I've been here because the signal's over here. His is red, and there's actually another one coming, and I haven't actually noticed yet. So I've been over here for at least 5 minutes already, and I'm waiting for the train to come by. And also I'm going to be over there for the next video filming it coming by. By I mean this train starting and going through town. I'm going to chase it a little bit. And yeah. Ooh. But yeah, here's a little bit. Cab entrance is right over here. Well, yeah, I'm gonna wait and see until it's coming, so yeah. Okay guys, I'm still here and I talked to a conductor and he said about in 1 minute an Amtrak is gonna come by. And I'm gonna really like this because, I mean, I haven't seen, every night there's an Amtrak that comes by and this is gonna be the first Amtrak in like 3 months that I'm gonna see. I don't know what kind of like Amtrak it's gonna be, like the PH48 or the P7H2. Yeah. I hope it's the P7H2 because I love those. Those are fast. Well, the conductor said he's gonna give me a thumbs up whenever it's here. But yeah. So, yeah, it's already been a minute, guys. And I don't think it's here. Oh, it's coming. I see it. Okay, it's coming. See it. It's coming. Dude, it's coming. Fast, coming in fast. Okay, so I'm gonna, right here. Okay, they're going off. I see it. Okay guys, I hope you loved the video. I'll see you again because 2 other trains are going to come by and I'm going to post those 2 today. Okay guys, bye.